Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Zotero. So Zotero is a citation and reference manager, kind of like Mendeley and Note, but it is free. So the way that you're going to download Zotero is you are going to open up your preferred internet browser, typing Zotero in the search box here, and all of the results are going to pop up. The first link is from Zotero.org. We are not going to use this link. Instead, we are going to go directly below and click on Downloads. It should redirect you to a page just for downloading and installing the Zotero software. Zotero is very Windows friendly, it's very Mac friendly, so the way that you're going to download for Windows is this big blue button right here. If you are using a Mac, the links are right below, right here. So you have Mac OS, Linux 32 and 64. After you've downloaded Zotero, we are going to register for an account. The reason why it's best to register for an account is because you will be able to access and sync all of the references in your library to different computers. So if you are working at home at a desktop or from a laptop or you're at work, you are able to access your library from any computer and use and cite it then. So whenever you're going to register for an account, it's going to take you to this page. You're going to create a username, enter an email and password, and then you will have to log into your email and verify your account. After you've created and registered for your account, the Zotero icon should pop up onto your desktop. And it's a big Z, big red Z. We're going to click on it to open Zotero. This is what Zotero is going to look like. The reason why it is best to create an account is because you will be able to sync your library. So if you have different publications, if you have different works that you are currently writing, then all of it can be organized and sorted this way. So the way that you can sync your Zoteros is you have to download the program on every single computer that you intend to use Zotero on. So I have it on this desktop, I have it on my laptop, and things like that. So the way that you're going to sync is you are going to go up to the Edit tab right here, and you're going to scroll down and click on Preferences. It will take you to a window, and we aren't going to worry about any of these. We're just going to look for the sync. It should have these two blue arrows in a circular motion, and you will enter your username, your password, and it will verify your account and automatically fill out the sync automatically and sync full text content. You're going to click OK, and the way that you're going to sync once you've added references to your library, the way that you are going to sync is this green button. You're going to click and it should sync from every single computer that you've added a reference to. It will sync to the computer that you are currently using. So the way that you are going to add a reference is whatever article that you want to use, whatever article that you have on hand, it should come with a PMID number, a DOI number, or any type of reference number for it. So in Zotero, you can add your references manually and you can add it automatically. The manual way is you are going to click on this green circle with the plus inside of it. It should take you to a little drop menu. You can select book, journal article, newspaper article, or all of these options. From there, you will have to have all of the information, the title, the authors, the volume, page numbers and things like that. I prefer the automatic way, which is adding the article or the work by clicking on this little wand. If you click on this wand, a little search box or a little field should pop up, and you can enter the ISBN number, the DOI, the PMID into this box, and you should be able to add it automatically. So that is what I'm going to do. This is the article that I would like to use, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the DOI number. So I'm going to click on this little wand up here and paste it. Once you've entered in your DOI number or your PMID number, and you click enter, it should generate it. You can include DOI colon, or you don't have to. It'll pop up the same. Just click enter. It should automatically add this article into your library. It will show up highlighted in gray, as you can see, and it will have all of the information from the article and where it was published, what date, and things like that. So one of the things that I love about Zotero is that you do not have to enter a link. If you add it automatically, you do not have to enter a link to a PDF or a website that will take you to the actual article. So I've pulled this up on PubMed, but it's actually on Sage Journals, if you see here. So I'm actually going to X this out, and I will show you that the reference here is linked to the actual journal article. If you double click on it, it should automatically pop up the article into your internet browser, and this is how you will be able to access and reference from there. So moving on to citing, I have a Word document pulled up. Zotero is also able to integrate into Microsoft, so you will actually see a Zotero tab added in your Microsoft Word document whenever you have installed it. So I have a statement here that I would like to cite. So I'm going to click on the Zotero tab, and I'm going to click Add and Edit Citation. Whenever you click on this button, a red bar should pop up, and you can either type the author's name or the journal article name. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the author's name, and it pops up the first thing. I'm also going to show you that it pops up when you type in the journal article name. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it should generate the citation right here. And all you have to do after you click on that, the suggested article, you're going to click enter, and then put a period here. So after you've written your text, you will want to add your references. So you can click wherever you want to add your references, and then you're going to go again to the Zotero tab, and you're going to click Add/Edit Bibliography. Click here, and it should automatically generate the list of references. When you have more than one reference, it should pop up automatically in alphabetical order. And if you add more citations to your paper or your text, it should automatically enter in the new references. The only thing that you will need to be sure of is that whenever you are working in Microsoft Word or any other program that you want to have Zotero open, it is very important to keep Zotero open, or otherwise you will not be able to cite or create the reference list. That is basically how you use Zotero.